Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw LinkedIn leads into HubSpot with Zapier, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to the LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Identify the leads you wish to export to HubSpot. Once you have your leads selected, keep this window open for reference. Next, open a new tab and log into your Zapier account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the on-screen instructions. After logging in, click on Make a Zap at the top right corner of your dashboard. For the Trigger app, search for and select LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Choose the trigger event based on what action you want to take, like new lead. Follow the prompts to sign in to your LinkedIn account and authorize Zapier. After successful connection, click Continue. Zapier will guide you through selecting specific leads or criteria for your Zap. Once you've set up your trigger, click Test Trigger to ensure everything is connected properly. Next, search for and select HubSpot as your action app. Choose the action event, such as Create or Update Contact. Click Continue and connect your HubSpot account to Zapier. Sign into your HubSpot account and authorize the connection. Now that both apps are connected, map the LinkedIn fields to the corresponding HubSpot fields. This step ensures that relevant information transfers correctly. Review your settings and click Continue to proceed. Zapier will prompt you to test the action. Conduct a test to verify if the lead transfers into HubSpot successfully. Once the test is successful, your Zap is ready to be turned on. To finalize, click on Turn on Zap to activate the integration. Your LinkedIn leads will now automatically populate in your HubSpot account. This integration will streamline your lead management process. Remember to check your HubSpot dashboard to confirm the leads are present. You can now focus on nurturing these leads efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.